Good morning, dear students. Hope you are fine at home. Again, I have come in English first paper online class. So, before starting the today's lecture, I showed two videos. I think all of you have remembered properly. I showed you two videos in the last class regarding a topic, wage earners. Wage earners means those who can go to abroad and earn money and contribute to their national economy. ওকে, এক কথায় বলতে গেলে যারা বাইরে যায় টাকা ইনকাম করতে এবং তারা অবশ্যই তাদের কান্ট্রিতে একটা কি করছে, মানে বাইরের রেমিটেন্সটা তারা দেশের মধ্যে কাজে লাগাচ্ছে। ওকে, দ্যাট উইল কল বি দ্য ওয়েজ আর্নার্স, অ্যান্ড অবভিয়াসলি you must get some ideas from the two videos about the today's topic. So let's start the today's topic by discussing some synonyms along with the meaning, okay, such as first one, see, wage earners. Wage earners means before a few minutes I have told that those who have who goes abroad for earning money and keeping contribution to their national economy or national state. Skilled worker, a worker or a person who is skilled by his or her work. Economy, okay, the national state or national condition, either it should be developed or non-developed. Job, obviously we all know the meanings. Tourist, that means visitors, those who visit different kinds of places. Pleasure, pleasure means happiness or enjoyment. Abroad, foreign countries, we tell the these two words all together, and foreign, that means abroad and foreign, both words are same. Now discuss the parts of speech of this word, because this is important for our synonyms or for knowing different kinds of words in the passage. Wage earners, this is the form in noun. Skilled worker, noun. Economy, noun. Job, noun. Tourists, noun. Pleasure, noun. Abroad, foreign, both are noun. That means in the box, what kind of the word we are getting, all are in noun form. And you must be seen two pictures, okay, all together. One is this is the picture related in the airport, and this we can see the picture of going to abroad and coming back in our country. This picture is related with that kind of part. And see the next picture, this is a picture of currency, okay. So we can see some pictures of some currency related to the foreign countries, and this is a pictures of actually euro. Okay, so let's discuss the topic. See, first one, I am just reading the passage for one time. A huge number of Bangladeshis go abroad for jobs. There is always a high demand of workers in some foreign countries like UAE, Oman, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Bahrain, etc. They like Bangladeshi workers because they are hardworking, but this is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. As a result, they are not paid much. This is because our workers are not good at English, Arabic or other languages. So we should develop language skills of our workers for the countries they go for work. If they can develop their language skills, they can get good jobs and send more money to our country. Thus, the wage earners of our country can develop our economy. The very short description has been given over the topic, and the description is like that. All the wage earners who are Bangladeshi, they can go abroad for earning money, and they are skilled by their work, and for that reason the foreign countries accept the Bangladeshi because they are skilled worker. In spite of that, they are not well recognized by paying system. Why? What is the reason? It must be mentioned in this sentence. It is a matter of regret that our workers are doing odd jobs. Why they are getting odd jobs? Because of not having fluency in English or any other languages. Generally, we can see in the middle of our workers that they know only the Bengali language. They are not capable of speaking in any other language. So for that reason, we must know that they are well preferred in the foreign countries, but not having a proper or adequate fluency in their speaking level, they can't show their talent in spite of having it. Okay, so this is a passage regarding wage earners, and I have given the description overall over the topic. Actually, the passage is divided into 2-3 parts. Today I am discussing only the passage parts. Okay, so today your task is to write a paragraph, or not only actually paragraph, this is a open writing by creativity named wage earners. Okay, you will give the name of wage earner, and you will write minimum 2 or 3 pages of this over the topic by showing your ideas, which will be taken from the videos and today's topic, today's lesson. Okay, thank you.